Big school or small school? That's a choice thousands of high school seniors wrestle with every year. As a transfer student, Gianna has seen things from both sides. Here she is with a great story about why DePauw's 9-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio really makes a difference.
Thanks so much, Alex. Hi, everybody. I had what you might consider an unusual start to my college career. Like many high school seniors, I was completely torn about which college I should actually attend. So, I made the last-minute decision to enroll at a mid-sized university in a huge city. About 2 weeks into my first semester, and I realized I'd made a big mistake. I sat in a chemistry lecture hall packed with 180 students, led by a professor who had no clue who was in his class. It was incredibly difficult to form connections with my peers, much less find support from faculty. I decided to email my admissions counselor at DePauw, and within a week, I was accepted as a transfer student. Imagine my surprise when I stepped foot in my very first chemistry class as a DePauw student to be greeted by just 8 friendly faces. Far cry from 180. Here at DePauw, professors know each and every one of their students, and our collaborative learning environment makes it so that unclear concepts become really clear really quickly. At DePauw, I found a home that not just embraced me as a transfer student, but that ensured I'd leave better than I arrived. My initial institution also told me I'd have to give up my love of the humanities in exchange for a pre-med degree. But at DePauw, interdisciplinary interests aren't just encouraged, they're celebrated. As a global health major, my diverse courses have taught me about the biosocial determinants of health, as well as how medicine might differ in resource-poor regions. It's easy to assume that larger schools might offer more classes, but DePauw's size actually allows for greater flexibility to achieve your academic goals. I know it sounds corny, but I always tell people that DePauw is the best decision I ever made. Take it from someone who's lived life on the other side. The support you'll receive from professors, plenty of whom will quite literally run you down on campus with opportunities, is unlike any other. I hope you'll have the chance to experience the DePauw difference for yourself. We can't wait to meet you.
Thank you, Gianna, for such a warm welcome to future DePauw Tigers. Now, it's not just students like Gianna who are pulled to small schools like DePauw. Professors come here because they want to change lives and stay in touch long after graduation. It's hard not to feel uplifted by that. Thanks a lot.